Right that.
What up YouTube, this is Steeze. In today's video we're going to be going over how to do a still swap on IW4X or Modern Warfare 2. It's a really simple shot, but you can incorporate it into a lot of different combos and make it look really cool. So stick around, watch the video, and I hope this really helps you guys. And if it does, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I do upload every single Sunday, so your subscription will definitely be worth it. I also stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from 4:30 to 7:30 US Eastern time. So if you could pop over there, pop up in my chat. It's a lot of fun in here. Drop a follow if you'd like. Other than that, let's get straight to the video. All right, so to do the still swap, you can really use any weapon. It doesn't matter. For me, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my wrist twist class, which is basically just akimbo magnums and an intervention. And to do the still swap, it's really just 3 buttons you have to press, which is going to be to shoot, sprint, and press Y all at the same time. So if I have akimbos, just press like right trigger. We'll just go ahead and say right trigger, sprint, and Y. And basically it's just gonna do an animation of like your weapon's freezing before it switches over to your other weapon. Like that. It's really simple. That's all you gotta press. Let's go ahead and try to see if we can hit this in a shot. Last video I had like, I don't know, 20 almost hits. So let's just pray I don't get that many almost hits this time. I'm just gonna kind of freestyle and see what happens. Imagine I hit first try. That'd actually be crazy. I don't even know what I did there. What is that? Like a wrist twist still swap? Oh, he's so close. I didn't realize he was right there. Yeah, I think that looks good. If you guys don't know how to wrist twist, I do have a YouTube tutorial on how to do a wrist twist. I will link that up here and in the description below. And again, I'm just doing a wrist twist and then pressing Y to cancel the wrist twist, shooting my right trigger or my right pistol, pressing Y and sprinting at the same time as I'm shooting with the right pistol. Said, damn, CZ, your Let's Go emote was used 20 times in August. Damn, for real? That's crazy. Well, thank you guys for using my emotes. Love to see that. The pistol kind of freezes. Oh, the almost hit. Okay, that means we're about to hit this shit into graphics design, like with my overlays and shit. Yeah, I know, man. Only 10 meters, so it's like literally as close as it can possibly get. Plus 550? What? This is how you guys do a still swap. Ooh, let's go. How did I get a plus 550 for that? I don't know, but I really hope this helped you guys learn how to do a still swap on IW4X and Modern Warfare 2. If it did help, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I do upload on Sunday at 2 p.m. US Eastern time, like I said earlier, and I also said earlier, but I'm gonna say it again. I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Really trying to make this a full-time thing, hopefully in the future. So if you could, please drop me a follow. Links are gonna be down low in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate y'all. Peace. Plus 550? What? This is how you guys do a still swap. Ooh, if this helped you guys learn how to do this trick shot, please drop a like and subscribe, comment. Thank you guys for watching.